Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to use this Keurig My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter. Now this is compatible with all the Keurig machines, going back to the single needle original machines and all the way up to the 5-needle multi-stream technology machines like this K Supreme you see right here. Now when we open it up, we see this is the filter that we get, and we twist the lid and out comes the filter, pops off the lid. You fill your coffee of choice no higher than the maximum fill line there, then firmly seat it back up against your lid and lock it into place. Now before I install this into the machine, I want to show you the two different ways that you can set this up depending on the style of machine you have. A lot of people return these and say that they do not fit their machine, but that's because they misunderstood the instructions. You'll see it has two different instruction manuals, one for older brewers, one for newer ones. Now if you have the 2.0 series brewers like you see in the picture here with only one needle, you're going to keep this unit as a whole with this gray plastic piece attached and this red rubber attached as well. However, if you have the more modern 5-needle design like you see in the picture here, including this K Supreme, you need to take off this gray plastic. You just wash off your white label here, the gray plastic comes off, and you also will need to remove this red rubber piece to accommodate the 5-needle system, and it'll seat itself the same way, not to worry. Then when you're ready to install it, you simply lift your lid here and you find your housing. Just reach under where the coffee drips from and push up, and out comes the original housing that has your needle in it. You put your Keurig facing you, the flat side facing you, and not to worry, there is a gap in here. It's supposed to sit elevated like that, that's okay. Then you take your lid, push it down, and select your brew setting according to how you would usually like it. And when you open it up, then you can compost your coffee grounds, wash it, and put it back together. If you want to switch back to your regular K-cups, just make sure your original housing words are facing you and click it into place. So again, just to review, with the older single needle machines, plastic piece has to be attached and red rubber has to be attached because you only have the one needle. And if you have the 5 needles, you have to remove the red rubber and take off the gray plastic. So that's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.